Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today here on Mama Soul Kitchen, we are cooking spicy hot apple cider, everybody. Okay, you get your unfiltered apple cider, you pour it into the crock pot. It could be regular cider, whatever you choose and prefer. Adding 4 sticks of cinnamon sticks, everybody. Okay, now we're gonna get our mulled spices as well. This is our special mulled spices that we have here, and we love it. We went to Winco's and pulled it out the bin, and they charge you by the pound. And this is what gets that flavor throughout your apple cider, everybody. Okay, now we're gonna get one of those stainless steel contraptions that you put your mulled spices in. You put your tea stuff in, you put your tea flavored seasons in there, and then you put it in your tea bags or whatever it may be into your water. And this is what we do. We drop it into the apple cider and let it go. Now we're gonna add in cloves. Okay, we add in about 25 to 30 cloves into our apple cider. I know it may seem like it's a lot, but that's how it is. It's about flavor, everybody. You don't want no plain apple cider. This is going to be kicked up a notch apple cider, everybody. Look at that. Now watch this. We're going to turn it on high, cover it up for a good 6 hours, everybody. Okay, you can go overnight on high, and then when you wake up in the morning, you turn it on low, and it's ready to go. Okay, the longer it cooks, the better it is. Now watch this in the morning. Ooh, it smells good. Good morning, everybody. I just want to say I'm not gonna be too loud. There's some guests here that are sleeping, and I wanted to say that the house smells amazing with this. Remember, we did our cider in the crock pot? Look at it. Remember how we ended it? Everything was floating on top. The cinnamon sticks, the cloves, and I just want to say the house smells amazing, everybody. I just love this time of year. Nice and hot. We have our glasses ready for our hot apple cider, kicked up from Mama Soul's Kitchen. We have our chargers ready, our gold utensils, got plates over here, and napkins. We just ready to go. But I just want to say, this is amazing. The longer you let it cook, the best hot apple cider you can ever have. Look at this. Okay, now look at this. Remember how small the cinnamon sticks were? They were nice and tightly closed together, but when they are flavored, they open up all those fragrances of cinnamon, everybody. Did you know that cinnamon is a wonderful health agent as well? Look at that. Look how big it got. But this is going to be delicious, everybody. Look at that. That's flavor. So I just want to show you how that looks. And if you like what you see, hit us on, on YouTube. Subscribe to our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell because we have a lot more that is coming soon. Oh, it's smelling so delicious. You have to give me a little cup of this. But you guys have a nice day. Happy holidays.